Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to Windows 11 Wi-Fi signal strength. To start, open the command prompt console as administrator from start. Click Yes to authorize. Here, run the command you see on the screen. When you do so, press Enter. Here you can know the signal strength of your Wi-Fi taking into version of the network protocol. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.